Motion Raceworks Operator shifter. These shifters for automatic transmission are currently available for Powerglide, 2-speed Turbo Glide, the 2-speed Turbo 400, and then Turbo 400 reverse pattern pull to upshift. They're working on other transmission applications right now, so we're expecting to see standard pattern valve body and hopefully push to upshift and a couple others here really soon. The shifter here in the box is ordered sort of a kit. Here we have a Powerglide shifter, and then included with the shifter, moving the foam out of the way, we have a 6-foot cable that Motion Raceworks builds in-house. This shifter was ordered, or is available, this one here, with the floor mount brackets. I'll show you on the bottom of the shifter, these 2 center holes go in the bottom of the shifter, and then you have 4 mounting holes to your floor or plate. It includes the cable bracket, and then the lever arm, and the hardware to mount the cable. So let's go back to our shifter here. And this is a really nice piece. It is lightweight. The gate is very clean. There is the mounting location I mentioned. You have wires for your trans brake. So the shifter can be ordered either with the floor mount bracket you saw, or with a tube mount, which is either a 1-inch mount, or the other tube mount is compatible with 3/4 inch or 1 1/4 tubing. This is a manual shifter. It can be ordered as an air shifter or converted, where the air cylinder mounts right here and goes into the gate. This is nice. I like how it feels in regards to weight. It's really light. And then how the gate operates is pull the lever back and you get into the reverse neutral gate. Okay, pull a little bit harder and you go into neutral. Okay, to get into second and first, you pull the lever down. Upshifting is simple. Push to upshift. To get into neutral, it's got a positive neutral safety. There you are. But if you notice, it's not all the way in neutral. To get past neutral and into reverse, it is in neutral right now, but the pin is being blocked. You push the lever ever so gently, and now you're over that little wall and into reverse, and then use the lever to get yourself into park. So it's 100% one-handed operation. It is very light, very clean. They have one thumb button that's available right now that bolts onto the bottom right here on either side as an accessory. The button's right about here. If you're going to purge nitrous or use it as a start button or something else, that's all well and good. But for those of us that want a trans brake button or something right here on the handle, they are working on that with a bracket that actually bolts into this open area on the side of the shifter. And then we'll have a thumb button option right here. This is a nice piece though. It is available, it is in stock in a whole bunch of different versions. Right now you have the 3 transmissions and error manual, then you choose your post style, and then any accessories you need. We have CO2 kits in stock, shifters in stock. Give us a call, 775-746-4887. We're going to have these shifters up on our website soon, but for now you can either ask a question here on social media or just give us a call and we'll be able to help you out. Guys, have a great day.